Hello again, it's Noob, and yeah, I did buy these actually. They were part of a job lot of padlocks, many of which were master lock. They were probably from a locksmith just trying to get rid of some old stock, and these are master lock 4684T Col. Never heard of that one before. Limited lifetime warranty. Okay, well there is that, and to be fair to master lock, they have given them a 3 out of 10 security rating. Probably because these are braided steel cables, which with a very strong pair of scissors or a pair of snips would be easily cut off. You can tell by the name and address that they are being suggested for use for, it says suitcases, travel bags and briefcases here. I'm not sure I'd use anything like this on a suitcase or briefcase. Then there's such low security locks. I'll show you what I mean. So here is one of the locks. They're new, it's set to zeros. You press the button, the cable comes out, you can stick that through, I know, your zips or loops on your bag or case or whatever it is that you've got, and then you lock it back up, scramble the numbers, and I'll just change this on to 3, and you can see that you can't press that number and open it up because it's not zeros. Change it back to zeros, press the button, it opens. But you can change your code to anything you like. So I'm going to do this blind and show you. I'm just going to randomly scramble the wheels. It doesn't really matter what they change to. Just make sure that they are in a number, which is why I'm just doing one advanced click, click, click like that. You then lock it back up. That becomes your new number. Now, I do not like that as a principle, because what if you had unlocked this and a number had advanced without you knowing, or you accidentally moved the dial with your fingers as you're opening this up, and then you locked it back up? That would be your new number. So I do not like that, because if you don't know how to decode these locks, you might think that's it forever. So anyway, so that's your new number. Scramble it up, and you can see now that that isn't the right number. I can change it back to all those zeros, and that won't be the right number either because we changed it. Well, there is a chance that I scrambled it to all zeros, but I don't think that's the case. So how do you decode these? Well, you don't do the normal method. You can't shackle pull. The shackle is not related to these numbers at all. You push this little button in, and you basically feel for when the button advances. So it's obviously going into some gates or pushing something up into the gates on the wheels, and you can feel for when the button advances. So you just find like one of the numbers and just turn it, and if that doesn't feel like it's going anywhere, turn the other one. If that doesn't feel like this one's stiff, then you do this, and this one's quite stiff wheel, and just trying to feel for when this button advances forwards. And if you're not getting anywhere, oh, there you go, open up straight away. So that was 574, and this isn't a trick, by the way. You can do this on all of them. So that's all zeros. You can just then scramble it up. Again, doesn't matter. Do that one bit, this one a bit, one in the middle, all of them. Make sure they're actually in a position so they're not halfway between anything. Lock it back up like that. Scramble it, of course, so I don't know the number on the other side. There we go. So it's not 794. Hold it, find the stiffest wheel, which is this one, and we're already open. I mean, that isn't a trick. I could do this over and over again with these. Luckily, you can't access the inside from the outside in any way. It is a solid metal unit, but you could easily decode these just by playing about. You know, even if you accidentally had set this to a different number by accident, and you locked your case up, and then you got somewhere and you realise that you can't open it up and you don't know the number, just hold that down, find the stiffest wheel, turn it until you feel the button go in, and you can't see it, but you will feel it, and just going along to the stiffest wheel, turning it until I feel that advance forwards, and you will feel it advance forwards. You just need to, there we go, open. That easy. I don't know how long that took. Less than 10 seconds. I've done this like 3 times in a row now, different combinations, different numbers. So yeah, clearly buyer beware. This is the Master Lock 4684T Col. I don't know really what you were expecting there, but clearly these are definitely a 3 or less out of 10 security rating. And yeah, unless you're just using these to stop, you know, opportunists from opening your zips, then yeah, I don't know what you'd use these for. Anyway, look, if you enjoyed that video, please leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, please subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.